things like that. People picking the garbage. He grabbed a bottle of beer out of the garbage, and I bet you he's going to drink it. It's showtime! Hey, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the show. The key word today is common sense. How much common sense is needed to know wind, audio, going fast? Who wins over that scenario? You post below and tell me. See you later. If I was in the woods and the tree fell in the distance, I would hear it. And I could simply talk just like I'm talking, and you could hear me if I'm 10 feet, 20 feet, 30 feet, 50 feet. Don't have to yell. But if I'm in a stadium, a football stadium, and it's the height of the season, and it's the final Super Bowl, and if I was 2 feet and they're roaring, you're not going to hear me right next to you. That's common sense. So what you have to do is compromise. Find a way to get that microphone working. Well, you put it next to your face, you block it from the wind, and you can hear it. The funny thing is, the wind is kicking as I'm doing this. How heavy is the wind? Oh yeah, it's heavy enough. And I'll get an app and show you. Blowing against me. And I don't have to go super fast. As I talk to the microphone, is a Sony wired mic with the gain control. I don't think there's any more for me to, go on with this. Stop recording. Yeah, these are mono. This is a TRRS to TRS. Maybe I should put this in there. This is not a smartphone. Stop recording. Yeah, TRRS 2, a mono mic. Stop recording. With the camera mic only, talking the same natural voice, wind noise is on in the frame. The frame should protect it. Well, let me turn off wind noise reduction. Hang on. Well, this is the third test. Wind noise reduction's off. And the only test I can do is take it all out of the frame and show you. You may want to hang on for that. I gotta do this all in backwards order now. I gotta put noise reduction on. Wind reduction. Now, I'm definitely not blocking the mic, and the mic is on the upper right hand side of the screen, my left, looking at the camera's front screen and the top. I gotta stop again, put everything back on to get to my road. Now the killer is, there's always a good thing to the story, and yeah, now 3 joggers, and oh yeah, I don't think they care about not having noise and the wind. I've done this many times over. I have nothing to prove to me. Maybe I'm proving something to you. If you think you could put your camera on a helmet, ride the bike and have that mic in a plain old open and have the wind blow, you're gonna have to put the mic inside the helmet. Nothing around it that the wind could hit. Meaning, if I put this Rode mic like this in my hand around the mic and cover it, people will start to hear you. Electronics interfere. A wind muff may help. But common sense, to me, goes a long way. 100 miles per hour, the mic is open. You ain't gonna hear a word I'm saying with the Rode Wireless Go. I think I've proven my point. I don't have to make a video about wind anymore. Only one person will get it. Many don't. On that note, I'm fishing. Homeless. Pick a spot. And then over here, the guy behind me, he's having fun singing Happy Birthday.